Are you planning to have quality time with your quality people anytime soon? Having barbecue and chill in the backyard at home is the best and fun way to spend with them, isn't it? Hello everyone, my name is Pam. Welcome to Thai Girl in the Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to marinate barbecue in Thai style. I'm confident you are going to love this recipe. Dipping with Thai spicy dipping sauce, which I will put the link of this sauce recipe in the video, so watch to the end. And if you like trying new recipes, especially Thai, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Today I'm making both pork and chicken for 6 people, so 3 kilograms altogether. What's the best part of pork barbecue in my opinion? Belly. Try to pick the one that has less fat. This one is really convenient for me since it's skinless from the store already, but if you like the skin, go ahead. This piece has too much fat, so I'll keep it for some other menu. Cut into pieces like about 1 to 2 inches wide. Look at this one, beautiful layers. Okay, let's make the marinade sauce. Roast 1 tablespoon coriander seed until it's kind of brown. One tablespoon black peppercorn. Grind or pound them. Roasting will make you break them finely easier because it gets like crispier and also smells nicer. But if you don't have mortar and pestle, you can also use store-bought coriander powder and pepper powder. 7-8 cloves of garlic. Pound them. You can chop as well. Seasoning sauce, 8 tablespoons. 4 tablespoons light soy sauce, 6 tablespoons oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons palm sugar. If you don't have, white or brown sugar is also totally fine. Mix them up. And with palm sugar, which is more difficult to dissolve, I just used hand to mash it. Then pour it down in our mixing bowl and we're going to massage them in this yum marinade sauce. So I separated the pork belly first. I didn't want to break its layers. Wrap it up, and best let it sit in the fridge overnight. But if you don't have that much time, I recommend at least 3 hours. Time for grilling in the backyard. You can also use the oven or however convenient for you. This recipe we wanna flip a bit faster because the peppercorn will make it burn faster. And here we go. I'm hungry again doing the voice over this video right now. This barbecue goes best wrapping in crispy lettuce, rice vermicelli, and some other veggies that you like. And this is the recipe for the spicy dipping sauce I had with this barbecue. On the top right, you can check it out. And thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can also let me know in the comment what Thai recipe you want to see next. Have a lovely day everyone. สวัสดีค่ะ